You are under the online preparation. I am going to teach you today chemistry of a standard 10. Few classes you have read. After previous classes, in the next class we have discussed about the how chemical equation is right. Why chemical equation is need to write? Because in word equation a very long process was, a very spacious process was word equations. So after using symbol and formula of the elements and compounds, we can write the chemical equation. As for example, it is given to write chemical equation. The word equation is given here, zinc, you know zinc, plus dilute sulfuric acid is equal to, या arrow, zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. This one is called word equation. Only word is used here, no symbol, no formula is used. It can be shortened after using symbol and formula of the elements and compounds. So dear students, we can write like this in chemical equation form. Zinc, the symbol of zinc is Zn, you know. You always understand that if you write the symbol of any element, the first letter will be capital and the second letter must be small. Remember it. Zinc, Zn. Dilute is just written as DIL dot, dilute. Dilute means mixed with water. Its potential is just dilute it. Then Zn reacts with SO4. You know, all metals are electropositive in nature and all non-metals are groups, radicals are mostly negative in nature. So Zn reacts with SO4 like this, Zn SO4. You know the valencies of Zn and SO4, it can be found with the help of given charge on them. If it is possible to get ratio, then we get 1:1. You can find ratio like 2 divided by 2, 1 and 1. Then exchange their valencies. Element or radicals exchange their valency to formulate. Now Zn get 1 and SO4 also get 1. So the formula will be ZnSO4. And ZnSO4 is a liquid, so it is denoted by L. Zn is solid, it is denoted like S. These are the symbols which are used during the formation of chemical formula, chemical equation. Zn and SO4 is used here, so hydrogen gas is left, and this gas, the symbol of gas is either indicated by direction or write G below the symbol of the element. I have indicated here so many things, so many informations in the chemical formula, in the chemical equation. We can formulate, we can form, we can write in the symbolic form. If temperature is mentioned, then in between reactant and product, temperature can be given in the form of degrees Celsius. Atmospheric pressure may be mentioned in between reactant and products upon arrow mark, and these are Fe plus molybdenum. Molybdenum is element, Fe is also element, and the mixture of both are used as a catalyst. So catalyst, temperature, pressure, so many things, promoter, they are denoted in between reactant and product, just above or below the arrow area. Arrow area, you know, reactant and product is just forcated by arrow area, is equal to. Here I indicated temperature is indicated in T degrees Celsius, pressure P, atmospheric pressure. Catalyst like this, there is molybdenum. Solid is indicated as S beside the symbol. Liquid is indicated as a small a beside the symbol. And aqueous water solution made in water is denoted as a small q dot. Gas is indicated as upward arrow direction or indicated as a small g. Precipitate indicated as ppt or downward direction arrow. If reaction is exothermic, during reaction heat is evolved, heat is given out, then you just put plus positive in case of exothermic. After is equal to or arrow, after arrow after is equal to, you must put minus, then it will be here heat is absorbed and it is known as endothermic. Heat is evolved exothermic, it is absorbed endothermic. Here it is applied in this equation. Nitrogen gas plus hydrogen gas, 450 degrees Celsius, 200 to 900 atmospheric pressure, Fe plus molybdenum catalyst, and then ammonia gas is formed. This is given as a word equation, and it is said to write in the chemical equation form. So N2 gas symbol G, H2 gas, these things can be written in the same way here, and ammonia NH3. The equation is balanced, made balanced. 2 nitrogen, 6 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen. Now, another examples of chemical equation is C for carbon. You can write clearly. Carbon, you know, it is used as a solid. If you combust it in oxygen gas, carbon dioxide gas is formed, and plus it indicate plus it after arrow after is equal to. Arrow, in place of arrow you can make as is equal to. Then heat is evolved. 393 kilojoule per mole heat is evolved. So in this case, if positive is placed After arrow I is equal to, then it is called exothermic reaction. Another example where carbon reacts with sulfur gas. Sulfur, you know, it is in the form of solid, but here reaction is taken place in case of gaseous form, then CS2 gas is formed, and minus heat is evolved, minus out. It is not evolved, it is evolved in this side. But if this minus is taken in the reactant side, it is just converted into plus. So if after is equal to या after arrow negative sign is given, then it indicates heat is absorbed, and heat is absorbed, reaction is called endothermic reaction. The reaction in which heat is absorbed, that reaction is called endothermic reaction. It is about a chemical reaction, how a chemical reaction is written and what is the need of chemical reaction. The word equation can be converted into chemical equation. So many informations during the chemical reaction can be written, at which point and which symbol here mentioned, and how can be balanced the equation. It is made balance here, but the rule of balancing is discussed in the another class. Dear students, you have to maintain your performance. The chemical equations is not remember orally, but you have to write 5 or 10 times per day. Then you can make command on chemical equation. Thank you today.